All right. Let's work on number. What problem are we doing next? All right, you're gonna read it to me. You're gonna tell me exactly what that problem is. All right, so. All right, what's the next one? Number 2, right? Tell me, what does it say? We have to say it. Bracket? Bracket open? Minus what? 3? Close. Open. Bracket open. Plus 4. Bracket close. All right, perfect. Right? What's my first step? What do I do first? So this says 3x times x. Right? 3x times x will give you 3x squared. Right? What about this one? 3x again times 4. 12 what? 12x. See that? Right? Now, this one times this. What does this give me? Negative 3x. Perfect. Perfect. Now, this one times this. Negative 12, right? Negative 12. Now I have like terms. I have like terms, meaning I have numbers that look the same. Numbers that look the same. You don't have to write this, right? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one have the same thing? 12x, and which one? Okay, so this 2, right? So 12x and 3x. If I were to combine this 2, you see how this says? Read this for me. What does it say? 12 minus. What would that give me? 9 what? 9x, right? You don't want to forget that. You need your x. And then you're done? Good job.
Good help.
Good job. Good job. Tell Frederick to send me a plate. All right? Frederick, send me a plate if you guys are baking and all that stuff. All right. So I bring this down. Right, and I bring this down as well. Minus 12. This, my friend, is my final answer. Final answer. All right. Start from this to this, this to that, this to this, this to that. Set them up, find like terms to the middle, to give you this, bring this down, and you're done. Alright? What else you have? So, Jerry states that this is equal to this. Do you agree or disagree? So, a student like yourself, or somebody else says, if you solve this, it should equal this. They're asking you, do you agree or disagree, right? It's like if I ask you, 5 plus 5 is equal to 7, do you agree or disagree, right? You're gonna say, I disagree because 5 plus 5 is not equal to 7, but we'll have to solve this first to see what the answer is, to see if the answer is gonna give us this. So we'll have to solve this and I'll show you how to do it, all right, I'm gonna wipe this off. Oliver, you're done with this? Mm-hmm. Sure. Who else? Who else was working on this? That's it?
Me. I finished
You
mine.
have this already?
Yeah.
You have it?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's move on to the next one.
So,
What's up?
why you want to do money, what is the first one?
You know what I'm saying?
Say that again?
I said the first one?
The first one?
Yeah, the graphic one.
I got you. We'll get to that in a second.
Can you graphic?
Say again?
I said, I catch a hard time doing graphic.
Brad? Okay. Gregory, read me that question. What does it say? Jerry? Bracket open. Alright. 4x. 3. What else? To the power. To the power 2. Perfect. Alright. So this is basically saying there's 2 of this. Like if I say Gregory to the power 2, this means I have one Gregory here, and I have another one here. You understand? Because it's 2 to the power 2. If it says to the power 3, I have another one. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so we understand that. So what I'm gonna do is, this means there's 2 of this. I have 2. So my first step is this, 1 and 2. 4x plus 3, 4x plus 3. Same thing. Alright? It's gonna be the same thing. Alright? Now, no more 2. Take the 2 off. Right? Now, my first step is 4x times 4x. What will that give me? 4x times 4x. 16 what? Hey. 16x what? To the power 2, right? Because there are 2 x's. Remember, x times x equal x2 because there's a 1 here and there's a 1 here. It's multiplication, right? So we're done with that. We'll move on to the next one. 4x again times 3. 12 what? 12x, right? Positive 12x, right? Because 4x times 3 gives you 12x. There's only one x, so there's just one x. Alright? We're gonna move on to this positive 3 over here. Positive 3 times 4x. What does this give me? This one's for Gregory. Gregory, what is 3 times 4x? 3 times 4x. 12 what? 12x. Perfect. Right? Plus 12x. And then finally, what is 3 again times 3? 9. Right? Positive 9. Right? This is a question for Gregory. Gregory, what should I do next? combine like terms. Meaning, add the numbers that look the same, right? And they look the same because they have x. But let me ask you a question though. Why can't I combine this one? Because it has a 2, so it's not the same. This and this are not the same. Alright, so if I combine this 2, what would that give me? 24 what? 24x, right? So 24x. Question for Gregory again. What would be my next step? Bring it down? Okay. So 16x2 plus, what else? Plus 9, right? So this, if you were to solve this, like the question said, this should give you a final answer. So now go back to your question. Is Jerry right or not? What did Jerry say the answer was? Okay, so is he right?
No.
Alright, so you're gonna tell me why you think he's wrong.
Mr.
What's up?
I noticed something, each thing matter, but I don't understand the purpose of this matter.
Really? And, I mean, probably because it's like one-on-one.
Each thing matter, I don't understand the purpose.
Really? That's funny. But, so Gregory, look. That question is asking you, is this person correct? This person says this is equal to this. When we solve that, we get this, right? Alright, appreciate you.
I'll be back in a couple minutes for
I got you. So you're gonna have to, like, you need a sentence. Let's say, do you agree or disagree that this is equal to this? Do you agree or disagree? So you're gonna tell me, I disagree because, tell me your reason. And your reason is gonna be different from Oliver's reason. Oliver's reason is gonna be different from Rothschild's reason. Rothschild's reason is gonna be different from Jesse in the front. Jesse's reason is gonna be different from Edison in the back, right? So you're gonna give me your own sentence. When you disagree because, right? That's what matters most. Right? So you're gonna say, I disagree because. Tell me why you disagree. Tell me why. All right.